Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Happy Good Friday. It's April 14th here. Markets are closed today, but as I indicated yesterday, I'll go ahead and just do the economic data that's released today, because it seems like this week was pretty light until, of all days, the days that the markets are closed today. So I'm going to go ahead and get those out for you today, so it'll be extremely short today. We got the Consumer Price Index, also known as the CPI. This is an important gauge for the Fed to look at for inflation terms. And so the previous month, in February, had a 0.1% increase in the Consumer Price Index. And in the month of March, I thought it would drop about 0.1%, and it dropped further down to 0.3%. Now, when you strip out the food and energy, we get what they call the core CPI, and this is really what they look at because they don't want to have these weird fluctuations with the food and energy that they can sometimes have. So back in February, we had a 0.2% jump, and they thought it would continue at another 0.2%, and instead, it actually dropped 0.1%. So quite the opposite direction here for inflation here. So this is something definitely we want to watch as the Fed's been raising rates, and usually they do that to stave off inflation. Now, if the PCE looks like they could be dropping, it can go the opposite direction. They may hold off on their rate watches because they don't want to raise rates if inflation is going down, and it's mostly to control inflation. And so this is something that'll be important to watch here going forward here. Next week, if we get any Fed members speaking, we'll definitely want to see if they make any comments about that. Last but not least, we got the retail sales numbers here. So we got retail sales for the month of March. So February's numbers went up 0.1%, but in March, not so good here. Forecast was supposed to drop 0.3%, and it dropped 0.2%. Now, if you strip out the big ticket items like autos, again, kind of like the core, these big ticket items can skew the numbers a bit, and so we get the excluding autos. So we had a 0.2% increase in the month of February, and month of March we went up forecast supposed to be 0.1%, and it went up 0. So overall, not a good day. Consumer, they like to see inflation going up a little bit, but again, the big one they look at for inflation is the PCE, personal consumption expenditure, and they want that to go up to 2%, and right now we're at 1.8. So we'll have to see what the next numbers come out for the PCE, and they might want to watch that coming up forward, so that way before the next rate hike, as again, rate hikes are meant to keep inflation in check. So that pretty much concludes it for today. I hope you guys have a great long weekend, if you guys are celebrating a long weekend, and happy Easter to you guys. We'll look forward to see you guys on Monday. Thanks for watching. Take care, and again, watch. And if you guys, next for future reference, there won't be a whole lot of updates today since markets are closed. But future reference, if you want to go over to Twitter, you can get updates on there underneath Mike Bjork. I do post updates on there, but today will probably be one of the quiet days here, going in to the weekend here. Also, if you need any mortgage needs, whether it's refinancing or purchases, I can help you with the pre-approvals and getting your financing for the purchases, as well as any refinancing needs. For those people who have adjustables wanting to get locked into a fixed rate, to needing to take money out of the property, stuff like that. So, all right, folks, I hope you guys have a great day, and look forward to seeing you guys on Monday.